Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is China and today I want to show you guys what I carry with me for my hygiene. I would call it an emergency bag. I think every woman and man need to carry an emergency bag with you. So let's open it up and I'll show you all the things that I have in it. So I carry napkins with me just in case I gotta blow my nose or something like that. The next thing that I carry is a lotion. I think everybody should carry lotion with them, especially when it's summer and you want to put lotion in your arms, your legs, because you have on a dress. And the next thing that I carry with me is a small deodorant. I think it's great to carry, especially if you go to the gym. I definitely recommend carrying a deodorant and also a spray, a mist body spray that I carry with me. The next thing that I carry with me, and I think everybody should carry it, is a hand sanitizer. I carry that with me, or if I don't carry my hand sanitizer, then I also have wet wipes, because you go places and in some places they have like no way for you to wash your hands, so I definitely recommend this. The next thing that I carry with me for my hair is a scrunchie or a hair tie when I want to put my hair up. And I also carry a brush with me. I carry a brush with me to, just in case I have a hair emergency. The next thing that I recommend for people to carry, especially women, is a pad. Some women, they don't know like when their period is, or it comes whenever it wants, or they forget. So it's I definitely recommend carrying at least 1 or 2 pads with you. I will also recommend carrying a cleansing cloth, because when you go to the bathroom, they don't always have like napkins or like tissue paper, so I definitely recommend to carry a cleansing cloth with you. The next thing that I recommend carrying is a mouthwash, just in case, out of nowhere it's been a long day and you want to meet your boyfriend or whoever with you, then definitely recommend carrying a mouthwash. If not a mouthwash, then you could also bring some gum with you. I also carry a little small mirror with me just to look at my makeup on my hair. I think it's great to carry a small mirror. The next thing that I carry also is a manicure set, because there's a lot of time, I have an issue with my nails, or a friend of mine have issue with my nails, they need nail clipper, and I have that. Last, I carry a lint roller. I don't always carry this, but some people do, and sometimes I do carry it, especially if I get like things on my shirt or my pants. Thank you guys for watching my channel. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel.